Welcome to everybody. We are Team MIST Explosive, and today we all know the problem. So let's go to the what was our solution, what we thought of. Okay. So the main theme was that we want to going from one place to another with a click of a button, and we made two solutions for that. One is web application based, and another is smartphone version. Just like Facebook has an app in Android, so you don't have to go in another browser and log in there and that kind of thing. And what's like social media. And if we go in the detail how we do it, they give you present location and destination. Our database will look for someone you need. Select that person. You can see their reliability by star, their feedbacks, and payment through mobile operator. If you use it in Android app version, then you will pay through mobile operator. And download and sign up will be free, but you have to pay per ride. Just like if you pay for payment, just like 50 taka, you have to pay to the driver. The payment can be on Visa or mobile operator, and 2 taka will be for the transaction to our app. And the monthly small charge fee, just like 10 taka to 20 taka for the app use in the web base. And the passenger will log in, driver will log in, our app will be a media which will search in the back end. Same destination, place on way, that means if your destination is A to B, but the persons is in between, that means C to D, which is in between A and B, then you will be you will show that notification that you can travel through that. And then your time has to be suitable, and payment method should be also agreed. Then we can find your destination. Now we will show our web application demonstration. First we have to go to the sign up, but there are many fields. We will not fill up now it. We have already filled up for our demonstration. But we want to see that mobile number and national ID. The national ID will be the main security reason here, which will give us the safety concern. Now if we go for a username Shohag and give the password, then we can sign in, and we can select what now we want to be, a passenger or a driver. Then we can go to passenger. He wants to be a passenger, so he can say where he is now. So that will be, but we wanted to give also map view, also from Google API, but we couldn't. Travel time, and then he will show where he is and that. But we didn't, this is an image only. We want to give it a back-end view, but we couldn't finish it within the time. So he found a vehicle which was in our database. Beforehand, we put up, because another user who was a driver, he was, and travel time and all those matched, so he found. And now we will go to the driver end. If anybody is a driver, how he can use it. So he will log in as a driver, and he will also say his destination, and he will search for the passenger. No match found, because the timing and the data was not. If we go to the back page, we'll see the Shamoli to Ajimpur, but the before was different, and also the timing didn't match. It was before 2 a.m. Now it is 1 a.m. So he didn't find anyone, but now he found, because we changed the data and the passenger is found, and passenger is at Mirpur 10, and travel time all has been fixed. So this was all. We couldn't do all the things what we wished, but we have also the Android based. We couldn't link up all the things, but we made the user GUI. So we'll show it to you how we thought of it. Okay, the first one is for login. You have a username and password and sign up. It will be very easy if you don't have an account. Then the next slide, this is for the sign up page, what it will be look like. It will be your username, your password, your email ID, and your national ID card number. So you can sign up very easily. Next slide will be from and destination page. You just have to click want a ride or giving ride, whatever you want. So now it is the tricky thing. You want a free ride or with a payment ride. That is the thing. If you want a free ride, we will only show the people who wants to take people free. It may be because there will be a Facebook sync option and Twitter sync option, which will be inside your friend. They may take you without any payment. So they will be only shown. If we submit it, if you submit, then the thing is that how many amount you wanted, you will put it down here, and then you have to submit. It will be for the drivers. If they want any payment, they will show that how much money they want. So further improvement, we couldn't do the Google Map API with GPS location thing, and making payment with Visa and other options. Verification procedure can be increased, like also Facebook sync and all other options. Integration of social media, friends, and plugins, like graph search and all those, including that, so that we can also make a status where you're going or that if you wish to say that data.